For the past 50 years, more than 150,000 Tibetan refugees have been living outside their homeland in settlements scattered across India, Nepal, and Bhutan. Under the leadership of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, these communities were created so the refugees could maintain their language and identity and their unique way of life. But today, the exile community faces a severe challenge. There is a critical lack of Tibetan professionals who can serve their community. Inadequate scholarship opportunities and the high cost of tuition make it extremely difficult for Tibetan students to realize their dreams of becoming professionals. The Tibet Fund has established a professional scholarship fund to provide greater access to higher education for Tibetans living in India and Nepal, and to help the exile community solve this major challenge to its long-term survival.
There is a lack of Tibetan professionals like doctors, nurses, engineers, architects, computer scientists, and research scientists. Consequently, these make us more dependent on others for service, and they make us less self-sufficient. So, in the long run, it hampers the all-round development of our community.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama has long been concerned about the need for young Tibetans to step up and become leaders in their community.
It has always been my intention to serve the Tibetan community. I studied medicine in India and worked in the Tibetan community, and I really enjoyed working there. And I'm doing my Master of Public Health. So with my public health degree, I can make a huge difference when I go back to my community.
This scholarship program has a great impact on Tibetan community because it will help in enriching the quality of human resource in Tibetan community, and it will definitely help in making Tibetans more self-sufficient and will add to cohesiveness of the Tibetan settlement, and this will in turn help in the preservation of Tibetan culture.
So the professional scholarship would definitely be enriching the Tibetan community, and it would in turn be a contributing factor to the global community at large, particularly in the field of medicine, in the field of religion, in the field of our culture, rich culture that we have, and in the field of arts.
Now, we, being Tibetans and followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, we stick to the altruistic goal of serving others. It's important and obvious that we pay heed not only to the need of Tibetan community, but we also contribute to the research and the knowledge pool of the global world, so that we can make the world a better place to live in.
Young Tibetans need your help. Please support the Tibet Fund's professional scholarship program so that more Tibetan refugees can bring professional expertise to help the exile community thrive and sustain its culture and contribute to the global community. Please visit the Tibet Fund at www.tibetfund.org.